Hey guys, welcome to the introduction to the child with special needs. My name is David Pimentel and I am your online instructor for this course. As you can see right here, I'm the adjunct professor for this college. My primary position is teaching 2-3 grade special education in an STC special day class, which means it's an all-inclusive class, meaning none of my kids go out to general ed unless they're able to mainstream. Most of my students call me Mr. P or Mr. Pimentel, which you guys are more than welcome to, or instructor, or whatever you're most comfortable with. During my time teaching, I've worked with many students from grades K through 8 with varying disabilities. Some include Down syndrome, autism, emotional disturbance, and speech and language impairment. And as we navigate through the course together, we'll be learning about these types of students and much more. My goal for our class is not only to be successful, but have you become even more excited about working with students with special needs. Class starts next week, but please read the information below to get you started. And I wish you good luck, and I look forward to working with all of you. Today, though, I will be going through this with you over our course and showing you the links and showing you exactly how I want things done. So as we can hear right here at Course Basics, this is a 3-unit course spanning from August 24th to December 15th, with the final exams the 10th through the 15th. So obviously one of our classes will only be one of those days, and obviously you'll plan accordingly for your other exams. You're able to access this course through using Canvas. You'll use your Citrus Network login to access Canvas, and if any issues logging in with Canvas, please visit the online education support page. And just to show you how it works, I'll press Control, and you hit the link, and it should open. And there it goes, and here you are. So here's Canvas support. There's a student guide right here for you guys, assignments overview videos, assignment submission videos, calendar videos for pretty much everything that you need. So if there's any other issues that you have, please don't hesitate to use this first and go to here first. That way you know what to use. Okay, so we're going to click out of here, go back, and here we're back. So to let you know, this course is 100% online and is not self-paced. So I will not open the modules until the week is finished. We will follow a strict and methodical structure. This way encourages continuity within our class, since we do not have the luxury of meeting face to face. So please, please, please look at this one right here. Please budget your time wisely and be cognizant of our due dates. Things are going to creep up and they're going to go fast, and once the week is over, once the module is over, we can't go back. So late work is really not part of it. The first thing we have is here, as you can see, is week 0. That is kind of the week before our actual coursework starts. This is our unofficial first week. This week will be used to get to know the course, your instructor, and your classmates. And when you enter the class, please explore all the tabs in Canvas. Please look over our syllabus, our first module, and there will be a check-in assignment waiting for you. So please complete the assignment no later than August 27th. Please get a calendar, put it on your computer, however you best follow instructions or best follow times. Please put this one in there, okay? And most things will be due on either on Wednesdays and Saturdays. So keep that in mind as well. Communication is the next very, very, very important one. Please be aware of any announcements you may receive. So whatever email you use, if you use a personal one or your college one, that's where it'll go. And then the announcements will be on the very home page of Canvas. Okay? They will be posted regularly and will contain very important information. If you have any questions or concerns, you may contact me via the inbox tool via Canvas. It goes to my email, my phone, or whatever, so I'll get it. So if you email me through this, I will get it. So you no need to email me my personal email or my work email or my phone. So please check it regularly. You have notifications and you can set your notifications to your liking in Canvas. Okay. The course duration is 16 weeks, like we said before. These are the dates. There are a few holidays so that will impact our schedule. As you can see right here, we have Labor Day, Veterans Day, and Thanksgiving break. Obviously, we will not have anything due on these breaks. We'll make sure that kind of works out that way. So here we are at course level objectives. You see the cursor. The main thing that I want us to learn at the end of the conclusion of this is be aware of early intervention programs. And that word intervention you're going to see a lot. And we're mostly focusing on young children. So it's really the elementary school level, really just kindergarten, preschool, through maybe the 3rd grade. We're going to learn to be familiar with the characteristics of an effective, inclusive early childhood programs. You're going to see a lot of that word as well in this, inclusive. And we're going to be able to compare or determine the likeness between typical and atypical children. And then typical children are your general ed kids, even though I don't think there are any typical children. And also have an understanding of building family and community relationships with families of special needs children. And this is a very important one that always gets left off towards the end, but it's the one that really will make and break your career and how you can better connect with the families and the children. The better you know the families, the better you'll know those children. Here's a overview of kind of our class and how it's going to go. So Unit 0, that's where we're at right now. As you start, once we start Unit 1, we're going to go through a lot of early intervention and public policy. So kind of the laws, things of that nature. As we keep scrolling down, we're getting more to learning the difference between what is a typical child, what is a atypical child, and the causes and the different classifications of disabilities. That'll be a very important unit, and that's why it's 2 weeks. Our 3rd unit is definitely, we're talking about sensory and physical disabilities, so just knowing the difference between the different types of disabilities. Unit 4 is a longer unit, that's 3 weeks long. And the reason I have it that way is because we hit a lot of important things. So if you guys do ever are in the classroom or dealing with students from with these types of disabilities, they're the ones that are probably the most common. So ADHD, a lot of behavior stuff, and then autism is also very important. Our 5th unit is 3 weeks long. It's very important as well. It's pretty much what we're learning, planning for inclusion. So basically, what does that look like? How do you do it? And how do we work with the families? And also working with IEPs, a very important legal document. And lastly, it's the characteristics of an effective teacher. So what do you need? Now that you know everything, not that you're really going to know everything, but now that you know how to create a classroom, or you know how to define certain behaviors, what do you need personally as a teacher to be effective? And then Unit 7 is a wrap-up, which usually will include like the final. So that is pretty much a rundown of our whole unit, of our whole semester. Please do not hesitate to email me or call me so that you know, and this just in case anything is unclear. Okay, so thank you very much, and I look forward to working with you guys.